I took self-gifting very seriously this year. It's you, it's Lasha. Welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great and safe. So welcome back to yet another haul video of mine. It is the last video of my birthday series, and you guys know how I end it. I end it with a lot of bills on my account. So welcome to what I got for my birthday video. For those who don't know, it was my 18th birthday. I finally turned legal. The feeling was out of this world. I was feeling so anxious on my birthday ki like what now, but at the same time kuch badla nahi hai because I grew up really fast, started working really early in life, so I have had a lot of legal experiences before as well. Okay, disclaimer, I am not bragging in any way possible. I'm also a girl like you. If I have this life, I've worked my ass off for it. So without any further ado, guys, shall we? First up, for what my parents gifted me, I wanted something more permanent, and for that my mom and dad gifted me a gold coin, and for my best friend, he didn't actually gift me anything. Like, okay, I know that's not cool, but he did give me an XYZ amount of cash. उससे मैंने बहुत सारी shopping करी है. So coming to the gifts that I got, I did shop a lot. Let's find out what I got. So as I told you, my friend gifted me an XYZ amount of cash. शगन दिया था basically उसने मुझे, which I can't show you guys. But what I can show you guys is that birthday के बीच में he surprised me with Lottery macaroons, and you guys know I am a sucker for lottery macaroons. I mean, if Blair Waldorf has it, I have to have it, guys. Like, so he gifted me macaroons. It's a pack of 6 जो मैं सारे खा चुकी हूँ, guys. इस बार मैं literally haul के लिए भी नहीं रुक पाई. मैं सिर्फ शायद एक पड़ा हुआ है, which is Marie Antoinette, and I got the pistachio one, which Blair absolutely adores. इस बार I was very heavy on self-gifting. I took self-gifting very seriously this year. I've told you about my mains, my parents and my best friend. बहुत adult gifting करी है उन्होंने मुझे. My gym friend Khushi, a very good friend of mine now, she literally came to my house to deliver this piece of gift. So she got me something from Nykaa Luxe. We have the prettiest lipstick shade ever. So she gifted me this lip injection liquid lipstick from Too Faced. It's in the shade, it's so big. Look at that, guys. मेरे को तो ना पैकेजिंग से ही प्यार हो जाता है. I'm not very hard to please. So we have this very beautiful mauve shade. उसने मुझे बोला था, लाइशा, I was very confused मैं कौन सा shade pick करूँ because you always go for the darker ones, and she didn't fail me. Let me swatch it for you guys. That's how it looks like, guys. Next up was something that was gifted from a very close YouTuber friend of mine. Please don't subscribe to his channel. So he's actually a perfume gifter. So that's why he gifted me Chanel number 5. How it looks like. That's how the bottle looks like. It looks so chic. So I finally found one gift which is practically gifted by my best friend. I got the cutest bag ever, which I can obviously style in various ways. I got the prettiest silver bag. Look at that, guys. I love the detailing on it. It's very silver bling. It's tiny. ये बहुत छोटा है और इसमें कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. We have some कचरा right here. मेरी ex best friend हर जगह आ जाती है. I got this from Fashion Nova. I'll provide you with the link if you comment. So that's that. So as it was my birthday, it was the perfect reason to shop a lot of luxury makeup. So the first thing that I shopped for my birthday shopping was my first Chanel. It is literally my first Chanel. I went to DLF Promenade. Chanel का store है वहाँ पे. So I got my first Chanel, guys. So we have this Chanel ribbon right here. That's how it looks like. Outer packaging के बाद we have this very beautiful Chanel का velvet dust bag. It has this branding logo of Chanel. I mean उन्होंने इसमें भी कुछ ऐसा perfume लगाया Chanel का maybe. And when we open this one, so guys, we got a blush from Chanel. I wanted this for the longest time. Not for the blush. I have a lot of blushes. Blair Waldorf has it. I have to have it, guys. And that's how the shade looks like. It is the powder to cream blush. It has has a beautiful pigmentation. मैं बहुत कम use करती हूँ इसे. It has the mirror right here. आपको कैमरा दिख रहा है. Hi camera. I can go out and do touch-ups with my Chanel mirror. I basically got this for the mirror. The product is good, but you know why I got it. I got this for the mirror. So it's a win-win for me. This actually fell just like you fell in love with me. I got the new 90s brown lip duo from Huda Beauty. अब देखते हैं इसके अंदर है क्या. It was my birthday lip combo. ये फिर से गिर गया डब्बा guys. श्रापित है ये डब्बा. So it has this lip contour 2.0 from Huda Beauty. It's basically a lip liner. Huda Beauty के lip liners के बारे में मैंने इतना सुना है. Is it that good? Yes! Definitely a 10 on 10. You shall try it if you have the budget. But if not, go for the pack ones. 4 filler lip gloss from Huda Beauty, which I absolutely love. इससे एकदम ना plumping effect आता है. It's not irritating on your lips. These two together, perfection. Literally 90s वाला एकदम look आता है. And if you try this bare lip पे, oh my god, hands down the best. So this was all self gifted. As I told you guys कि मैंने इस बार self gifting बहुत seriously ले लिया था. Last but not the least, in makeup, I've saved the best for the last. I got the Matte Revolution lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk medium. I have the fair one. It doesn't suit me that much because I'm more of a dark lip girly, as you guys already know. But I've got the medium one as well. I'm crazy when it comes to makeup. मुझे सब try करना होता है. That's how it looks like. It has this very dark brown mauve-ish shade. Let me swatch it for you. Look at that guys. Obviously it was an impulsive purchase. मैंने सिर्फ शौक के लिए लिया है guys. If you wanna go for the similar shades, you have millions of Indian brands which can dupe this one. It was my birthday. Perfect reason to splurge money on silly things. So it was one of that. The biggest self gift of all time on Laisha Sehgal's YouTube channel is none other than a Gucci bag guys. Yes guys, I'm finally revealing what I got from Gucci. I know guys, मैंने आपको बहुत तड़पाया है. This is the outer packaging of Gucci. I got this from DLF Emporio and I've always had this dream of going there and buying the bag of my dreams. So I got it. So this is the invoice from Gucci store. I think मैंने billing दिखा दी है आपको अपने vlogs में. We have the Gucci box right here guys. So as we open this box, we have the Gucci dust bag. So this is the Gucci bag that I got. It is the Gigi Marmont Super Mini. I had dreams of getting this bag and I finally got it. I'm literally shivering right now. Guys, this is not just any trash. This is Gucci trash, okay? I'm gonna save this for the rest of my life maybe. So it's a sling bag and that's how it looks like. I got this in the color black because black is a kind of a color which is very versatile. It can amp up any of your outfit. किसी भी color tone के साथ जा सकता है ये. Black मुझे बहुत मुश्किल से मिला है. मैं अपने birthday से बहुत पहले गई थी इसे book कराने and it was not there. There was this guy who assisted me in the Gucci store. His name was Gopal. They contacted me and they finally got it available from Mumbai. They shipped that for me. Oh my god, I feel so blessed right now. So that's how the bag looks like. They don't tell you how to style it in a shoulder kind of a way. As you guys know me, I know plenty of styling. I've had my eyes on this bag since 3 years. Obviously it wouldn't have happened without you guys. It has this heart which is a statement of Gucci, duh. And yeah, I'm not a kind of a person who splurges money on bags a lot. This was the bag for me and thank you guys so much for your birthday wishes. I love you guys and I'm so grateful. Yeah, I think that was it for this video and I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll just see you next time. Bye.